Okay, guys. So now we have a finishing process. You can see this finishing process. We use delcam, and I hope you enjoy with our video. And this is my friend. His name is Dori from the electronical engineering. Yeah. Okay. And now we are in laboratorium upholstery in mechanical engineering. Okay. We made a gear like this. Use delcam PowerMILL 2015 R2, and the tool is ball nose with diameter 6. This is sweep and shallow. Okay, we use Mitsubishi, and this is Imco, like this. And I want to show you about our program. This is it. Wow, very fast, right? Okay, it's so extreme. And this is our laboratorium. Okay, with my friend Dari Saka. And this is me. I'm the programmer of this thing. Okay, come back to the program, and you can see. Okay, thank you for your watching.